Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an AI tool called R Style Changer. This is a pretty easy tool, very easy to use. Just have to search for the apps. R Style Changer. Opening it, and you just need to select the image, what we would like to use. And here we have the several different options. Some of them are locked only for the paid version, but lots of others are free. For the first one, I use the 3D figurine. For the second one, I use the crochet doll. And the third one, I use the flat sticker. And now I would like to use the clay. So I just click on generate. And as you can see, it's already generated. I just delete the image from the Canva and just add into the design this clay image, increasing the size as I wish. And it's already done. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy going application and doing a really amazing job. As you can see, in all four different versions are perfect. I really love this. So that's the final outcome is really nice. It's a pretty easygoing application, as I mentioned. The application is not free. We have 2 free tokens, which is worth it to try. And if you try, we'll see the results. For sure, you will buy another tokens. The application was developed by the yipa.io. It is a website. I will add the link to the description where you can find it. You have a direct link here, try it in Canva, but you guys just need to search this art style changer in the applications inside the Canva. And as you can see, we have a lot of different type of styles. Pretty amazing, all of them. So really worth it to try. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything on a Canva, just let me know in a comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video. First of all, you can find the links for the application, direct link. And of course, you can also find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in a TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really gonna end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.